Hi, I'm Ryan Schuff from Keystone Passport, here in the 239 ML. This is a Murphy bed floor plan. We've learned that some of our potential customers have concerns about buying a unit with a Murphy bed. So what I like to do is to tailor the pitch in presenting the Murphy bed at the end of the pitch. So for example, on the 239, I would point out the spacious pantry, the double over double bunks with storage below, and the entertainment system with flat screen TV and with Bluetooth speakers. But that's not all. This Murphy bed floor plan also gives you a place to sit in case you have a rainy day at your campground. Let me show you. And that's the way I like to pitch our Murphy bed system. It makes it a positive at the end of your sales pitch on the 239 or any other Murphy bed floor plan instead of a negative at the beginning. Thanks and have a great day.